The university's protection services team says they were not consulted about the internal memo announcing that parts of their department would be outsourced under Section 197 of the Labour Relations Act. They claim the process was done without engaging them and allege it's a strategy to remove them from the institution. The workers fear losing their permanent status, which they say was granted during the #FeesMustFall period, and key benefits like free study opportunities for themselves and their families.
Protection Service njengokuba ephantsi kweNelson Mandela University baza kumkhupha bambuyisele ku-private for unyaka oyi-1 bewela nee-benefits zonke ezi banazo for unyaka oyi-1. Ke ngoku into esenza into yokubana sixhalabe kwakuvunyelwene into yokubana siqeshiwe permanent, zonke ii-benefits zalapha siyazifumana, yonke into eyenziwa ngumsebenzi walapha nathi siyayenza, kodwa ngoku xa besikhuphela ngaphandle sizawuluza yonke laa nto sinayo.
Amalungelo wethu sizawaluza ngaphakathi, okokuba sifunde free, abantwana bethu bafunde free. Okwesibini, asizubanayo inxalenye xa sifumane i-medical aid. Zininzi ke izinto esizawuluza ngaphakathi. I-private siyayazi into yokokuba ngabana phaya amalungelo ayanyashwa kakhulu wethu. Asizukwazi ukukhuseleka kakhulu xa siphantsi kwe-private companies.
These workers say they feel unsafe on duty with limited protection gear and equipment, and they are also questioning why certain management members are not part of the transfer.
Management yethu, some of them bafike thina sesigqibe i-9 years kule university, but i-university ithi bona abazohamba. Umbuzo wethu xa thina sihamba yona i-management yethu ishiyeka ngaboni na. So Bayton asinazitosh. Remember that umzekelo le campus yonke iyapatrolwa le campus yonke. Sipatrola yonke le campus without i-Bayton, without i-torch. So even if ukwenzeka into funeke mna ndisebenze ifone yam.
In response, Nelson Mandela University spokesperson Zandile Ngwendo says the council has approved a hybrid model for protection services to strengthen safety and improve efficiency across all campuses.
The Nelson Mandela University Council has mandated management to implement a hybrid model for the management and delivery of its safety and security services under Section 197 of the Labour Relations Act. The decision follows an extensive review of service challenges over time, including declining service efficiency, significant operational risks, and increasing costs. To address this growing concern in this area, Council has resolved to outsource aspects of the protection services function, ensuring that affected employees are transferred to a new security service provider on equal or better terms of employment and with their rights protected.
Ngwendu adds that this move is about ensuring the long-term sustainability of campus security.
Nelson Mandela University is guided in its programs by a commitment to social justice and the well-being of its students, employees, and visitors. Through this hybrid model, the university seeks to safeguard its people, protect its assets, and create a secure and inclusive environment that enables further deepening of academic and research excellence, innovation, and societal impact.
While the university insists the changes will enhance safety, security staff say they remain in the dark about their future and want management to address their concerns directly. For MPK TV News, I am Sisi Pomdigi in Gqeberha.